Do you remember the day when you have helped someone or the day when you have took some help from someone? These are the two important moments of our life. When you help someone, it gives an immense satisfaction to ourselves. When you take some help from someone, it gives a feeling of gratitude towards that person. These are the two important things. And why we should help others? Remember the life of flowers. Most of the flowers have just one day of life. However, when it comes to spreading happiness, joy, flowers are the first things. They spread happiness to the butterflies, to the honeybees, and to the humans as well. That's what they do. And what they expect? They expect nothing. These are the very important things which we should understand. And flowers' life is an inspirational life for ourselves. We should live the life like flowers. We should help others. And helping others is just not a monetary helping. Just helping not in terms of financially or related to the money. We should help in very small things as well. Whenever someone, if we see in a need, we should go ahead and try to help. If you are working at home, working at office, wherever you see, just have that helping attitude. And this helping attitude will help you. Remember that whatever things, wherever you are helping anyone, that all things will come to you in some way. That will help you in some way. I have experienced this in my life. That's why I help to many other people wherever possible. And I take help from others as well, because I know no one is perfect. We need to learn from others as well. That's why we should always take help from our seniors, our other persons who we think that they are capable of giving. That's why we should take help and help others as well. This is very much important in our life as well. Remember this one quality of helping others and taking help from mentors, from teachers to grow ourselves. This is very much important to understand. I hope you have liked this idea, this topic about today's helping others. And if you have any questions, suggestions, please put it in comment section. If you have any other suggestions, do let me know in comment section. And if you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.